Have you ever wanted to download all of your Facebook friends' birthdays off of Facebook? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that with one quick download with just a few quick steps. I'm Jerad Larkin with Chicago Title. I help real estate agents and lenders grow their business in unique ways. I share real estate tools, real estate resources, and really unique real estate marketing strategies to help real estate professionals grow their business. Our first step to downloading your Facebook friends' birthdays off of Facebook is installing a Chrome extension. So you need to go ahead and open up Chrome or download Chrome onto your computer and then visit this Chrome extension in the web store called the Birthday Calendar Exporter for Facebook. We're gonna go ahead and add the extension to Chrome. Next step, now once it's installed, we're gonna jump over to our Facebook. Now we're gonna go ahead and click on our extensions here. We're gonna click on the Birthday Calendar Exporter extension and we're gonna click Start Scan. Now this is gonna scan through all of your friends on Facebook, every single person it can find a birthday for. If they have a birthday listed, it's gonna find it so that we can download it. Now if they don't have one listed or shared, we can't download it. Some people only share their day and their month. Some people share their day, month, and year they were born. So once this finished scanning, we're then gonna be able to download the entire list. All right, so it looks like the extension just finished scanning now, and now it looks like it's telling us that it has pretty much downloaded everything. This attention screen does pop up. I just ignore it because I still have found that I do receive most of the birthdays. Now I jump over here to this calendar generator tab right here, and then over here on the calendar, you can see all the names separated by day for each person's birthday. We wanna click on calendar generator. We then wanna click on download as a CSV file, generate and download. We're just gonna save this now, boom. And just like that, we now have all of our Facebook birthdays. So that's it. You have now downloaded your Facebook friends' birthdays off of Facebook. Now I'm not gonna stop there though, because the hard part is matching up the birthdays to anyone who's already in your CRM that exists. So the final step I wanna share with you now is how to quickly match up the birthdays to the people in your CRM. So if you look here on my screen, you can actually see my fake CRM, and you can see I've already typed out and imported the birthdays. And what I want to show you is when you import the birthdays to a spreadsheet, it's going to share the name, it's going to share the year, the month, and the day. The first step I want to do is I want to combine the full date of birth into one column. So you can see here I use this formula where I added the and symbol, and then I add in parentheses so that I can plug in the full birth date. Once you've done that and you've completed that formula, the next step is to apply what's called a VLOOKUP formula, which will automatically match up each birthday to the name associated to that row. So you can see here, I just completed a VLOOKUP formula. You can see right here, it's gonna match up each person's birthday. I'm gonna share with you real quick how we do it. If I type in $, I type in VLOOKUP, okay? It then wants me to plug in this cell that it wants me to look up and find. In this scenario, it's gonna be my buddy Mike Jones. So we're gonna click on Mike Jones. We're then gonna click the comma. Now it's telling me, all right, where should we search for this data for Mike Jones? I'm gonna jump over to my B-Days tab. I'm gonna go ahead and highlight all of the columns all the way down to the bottom. Then I'm gonna hit comma. And then lastly, it's asking, all right, what data do we wanna match up to Mike Jones? In this scenario, it's gonna be the date of birth. So in this scenario, it's gonna be column number 5. So we're gonna plug in column number 5. And then lastly, it wants me to know, do we wanna find an exact match or somewhat of an exact match? And the answer to this, in my opinion, is going to be an exact match. So we type in the word false, F-A-L-S-E. We then close the formula, we press enter. And just like that, boom, we now have Mike Jones's data. And you can see here up in the formula column, you can see I just dragged this down and now I've got everyone's birthdays instantly matched up to their row in my CRM. I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please let me know. I'm always looking for new ideas, feedback for more videos to create that are gonna be helpful for real estate professionals. And of course, if you wanna be invited to my upcoming classes, or if you'd like to receive other videos of value like these, visit my website, milehighTitleGuy.com, where I share real estate tools, resources, and marketing strategies to help real estate professionals. And that's it. Have a great day. Hope this was helpful.